Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you about nested classes in C++. This is Roslyn Diana, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. Member class. What is a class? A class in C++ is a user-defined type or data structure declared with keyword class that has data and functions in it. It is also called member variables and member functions as its members. So class will have data and function as its members. Members access is governed by three access specifiers. They are private, protected, or public. By default, access to members of a C++ class is private. Then what is nested class? A declaration of a class may appear within another class. So that class will become the nested class. Such declaration declares a nested class. A nested class is a class which is declared in another enclosing class. It is a member and as such has the same access rights as any other member. So the outer class can access the inner class like other members present in that class. Member functions of a nested class follow regular access rules and have no special access privileges to members of their enclosing class. So the outer class can access the inner class. Inner class will not have the permission to access the outer class. The scope of a nested class is valid only within the scope of the enclosing class. If a class is present inside the outer class, then this class has only the scope inside the class. Outside classes cannot access this nested class. This increases the use of encapsulation and creates more readable and maintainable code. Nested class in C++ can be accessed outside the enclosing class using scope resolution operator. Suppose outside the declared class, if you want to access nested class, then we have to access it using the scope resolution operator. If nested class is declared after public access specifier inside the enclosing class, then you must add scope resolution during creating its object inside main function. And syntax is given here, class, enclosing class, and nested class is inside, class, nested class. Within curly brace, they have been enclosed. Nesting of classes example, the class name is enclosing class, outer class, and we have public data, that is inner class name is nested class. It contains private number and set data of method as public. And we are setting the number here in this set data method. Show data of method is used to show the number. Then main method contains your outer class, enclosing class, colon, scope resolution operator, double colon, nested class. For that nested class, we create object. Object one dot set data method we are calling, and show data method we are calling. So it will print the number is 100. Here, pictorial example is given. Class outer class, public data A equal to 10 and static data B. So A is non-static, B is static. Then there is a function called fun of. Then in inner class, we have public data X is equal to 20 and show method. It will print show. So we have some few questions. Members of the inner class, nested class. The inner class is having one non-static data member, that is X of value 20. Then it is having a function show. We have written inner class inside outer class. Only classes are there, but we have to create objects also. Members of the outer class. Here the questions are there. Two members are there, non-static A value and static B value. Can the inner class access A and B members of the outer class? That is the question. In the inner class function show, can we write cout A? No. A is non-static, so directly we can't access it. It cannot access because A is a non-static member. Can we access B? B is static. So it is common for all the classes. Yes, we can access it. So the first point is that the inner class can access the members of the outer class if they are static. Can the outer class create the object of the inner class? Yes, it can create. Now, using that object, can it access all the members of a class? Yes, the outer class can access all the members of the class. So it is just like as if it is a class outside, outer class. Instead of writing it outside, we are writing inside the class so that it is visible only here. So in this video, we have discussed about nested classes. Thank you.